showers are just like running into Southwest Florida once again. So starting off the morning with some rain, and we're going to see some rain again this afternoon. So we are going to hold on to that wet pattern even tomorrow. So don't forget to pack the umbrella when you're heading out for your morning work commute. We are going to see that early start with the rain once again. But there's a look at the storm activity that we do have pushing into portions of Cape Coral. We do have a couple lightning strikes on the back end of this, and this will continue to push off in that northeasterly direction surrounding the Cape Coral neighborhoods there, and also going into the Caloosahatchee, downtown Fort Myers, seeing a little bit of that light rain working its way in. Thunderstorm activity, we do have that over in Estero Bay, also pushing off portions of Bonita, and this will continue to work its way off towards the northerly direction as well. So we are going to see that passing over 75 along Corkscrew Road, pushing inland. So Bonita, you're not done with the rain, as you do have a lot more showers and some storm activity offshore that will continue to push off and work its way onto land. So even Sanibel, Captiva dealing with that moderate to heavy rain. Pine Island, a few more showers rolling in, and also as we take a look over in our other neighborhoods there along Lake Placid, another thunderstorm working its way pretty quickly off in that northeasterly direction. We do have about 3 lightning strikes with this one over the past 15 minutes. So we are going to see that storm activity, the frequent lightning, the heavy rain. We can't even rule out seeing maybe an isolated waterspout developing in our water areas for today. So kind of like yesterday, once again, look at that rotunda waking up to a few showers, moving pretty quickly, rolling in from the Gulf, pushing on to land, and then they will continue to work its way into portions of Charlotte County this morning. Collier County getting a bit of a break over in the Naples neighborhood, but we do have a few showers developing south of Lely that will also continue to work its way through. So we are going to hold on to the scattered rain and storms this morning. As we get closer to the lunch hour, we could see a brief break, but that doesn't last very long, as we do still expect to see some hit or miss showers as we hit the later half of the afternoon going into your evening. After sundown, we're still going to hold on to the rain chances. So today's looking a little bit more wet than yesterday. Even tomorrow, though, we're going to hold on to the rain here for Southwest Florida. So waking up to some scattered rain and storms before the lunch hour. Heading into the afternoon, some more storms do continue to push through. So we can see the very heavy rain pockets across Southwest Florida once again. So even yesterday, some neighborhoods already had up to 2 inches of rainfall accumulated in a pretty short period of time. And we're going to hold on to that because we have that deep tropical moisture still in place, and that'll lead to those really heavy downpours. So mostly cloudy conditions for today, scattered storms in the forecast. Temperatures, when you do get a break in the clouds, finally reaching the upper 80s, even a few 90s popping up. But here's a look at the tropics. Nothing going on in the Caribbean, Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Ocean. We've been watching this one since it started off of Africa, worked its way westward. Now it's coming across a lot of obstacles. So the National Hurricane Center has weakened its ability to develop over the next 2 to 5 days. And it looks like it's going to see a lot of obstacles continuing, especially with that dry air in place. Notice the reds, a lot of dry air, and that is one of the things that do prevent the formation of any tropical systems, and also when we do have the wind shear as well. So we're still going to keep an eye on that. So we have a few months left of this hurricane season. Temperatures out the door, we have the upper 70s, low 80s over in Naples, Marco Island 78. As for your evening, we're going to hold on to a few isolated rain areas, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. Again, for this evening, we could see a little bit more coverage than yesterday, so just keep that in mind if you do have any plans to be out and about after sundown. So upper 80s for today. Tomorrow, again, waking up to the rain and storms to start you off. By Tuesday, not as much coverage in the morning. Temperatures should rebound back into the 90s, right around 93 for Wednesday as well. By Thursday, Friday, better chance to see some evening storms, a little bit more seasonable with temperatures at 93 degrees.